Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Supply of data center equipment for electricity distribution efficiency improvement project. The Ministry of Energy, Power Division, in Pakistan, through its Project Implementation Unit, has announced an invitation for bids for the Electricity Distribution Efficiency Improvement Project, identified by Project ID P170230. This open tender, bearing notice number OP00331470, seeks proposals for the data center equipment for hosting of market management system, including supply, installation, testing and commission of Tier 3 data center facility, migration of existing IT systems, data backup, data institutionalization, and information security enhancement. The borrower bid reference number for this procurement, which uses a request for bids method, is PK-MOE 350499-GO-RFB. The loan for this project is 9318 PK, funded by the International Development Association, World Bank Group, and the language of notice is English. This invitation is divided into 4 lots, each focused on a specific area. Lot A covers the Tier 3 data center facility, Lot B is for data backup solutions, Lot C deals with the data institutionalization project, and Lot D is for information security enhancement. Bidders are allowed to submit bids for one or more lots, and contract awards will be made lot-wise. A pre-bid meeting is scheduled for January 21, 2025, at 11 a.m. at the specified Islamabad address, and can be attended by sending a request email. The submission deadline for bids, which must include a security deposit of 3% of the bid value per lot in form of CDR, SDR, pay order, demand draft, banker's check, or unconditional bank guarantee, is February 11, 2025, at 11 a.m. Interested parties can find additional details and download the bidding documents from the provided website or by contacting the organization via email during office hours.